Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Qlip English, the show that helps you improve your English in a natural and enjoyable way. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Michael. Hi, Olivia. Hi, everyone listening.
Hey, Michael. How's your day going?
It's been really productive, actually. I spent the morning reviewing some interesting language learning research, which is perfect timing because of today's topic.
Oh, that's great. Yes, today we're diving into something that I think many of our listeners really struggle with.
Let me guess. Talking about your daily routine in English.
Exactly. A lot of learners tell us the same thing. I can understand English, but when someone asks me, "What did you do today?" or "How was your day?" I don't know what to say. Today we're going to change that. We'll learn simple, natural phrases to talk about your daily routine from morning until night.
We'll keep it easy and practical for A2 level. No difficult grammar, just real English you can use every day.
Let's start with Jessie's story. She sent us her daily routine. Listen carefully and try to catch the phrases.
Hello, my name is Jessie. Let me tell you about my typical weekday. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. First, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water. Then I go to the kitchen and make a cup of coffee. While the coffee is brewing, I check my phone for messages. After that, I get dressed, usually jeans and a simple shirt. I eat breakfast quickly, usually toast with butter and jam. At 7:45, I leave the house and take the bus to work. The journey takes about 40 minutes. I usually listen to music or a podcast on the bus. I arrive at work at 8:30. I check my emails and start my tasks. At 12:30, I have lunch with my coworkers. In the afternoon, I continue working until 5 p.m. When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes and relax for a while. Around 7, I make dinner. After eating, I wash the dishes and spend time with my family. Before bed, I take a shower and read a book for 20 minutes. I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Thank you, Jessie. That was very clear and natural.
Yes, thank you. We heard many useful expressions. Wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, make coffee, get dressed, take the bus, check emails, have lunch, finish work, relax, cook dinner, spend time with family, and go to bed.
Notice how Jessie used time expressions like at 6:30, around 8:30, until 5, and for 20 minutes. This makes your routine easy to understand.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after us slowly. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. I make coffee and check my phone. I take the bus to work. After work, I relax and cook dinner. Before bed, I read a book for 15 minutes.
Very good. You can use these patterns to talk about your own day. For example, you can say, I usually wake up at 6:45. First, I drink water, then I exercise for 20 minutes. After that, I have breakfast and go to work.
The most important thing is to speak every day, even if it's not perfect. Small daily practice is better than studying for hours once a week.
Here's your challenge for this week. Every day, record yourself for 45 seconds describing your daily routine in English. Use at least 5 phrases from this video. Don't worry about mistakes, just speak naturally.
Come back and tell us in the comments, what does your typical day look like? Are you a morning person or an evening person? Write it in English.
If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to Qlip English, and share it with a friend who wants to improve their speaking.
In the next video, we're going to talk about the 1% native listening secret. This is a very powerful lesson you don't want to miss.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next one. Bye.